towards the question answers of the book. Okay, everyone. Can you all see the comment in front of you all? Chapter The French Revolution.
Yes, sir.
All the students? Everyone can see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Let us do one by one quickly. Who among the following proposed the social contact theory?
Cruzy.
What about other students? Who among the following?
Sir, option B.
Sir,
Option
Cruzy.
B. Ruzu. Okay. Is it correct? All other students give vote. Is it correct? Did Ruzu
Yes, sir.
give the social contract theory?
Yes, sir.
Anjali, Anshika, what about you all? Is he saying the correct answer? Was it Ruzu who gave the social contract theory, or was it Montesquieu?
Sir, Montesquieu was in the spirit of laws.
Very correct. So it is Ruzu. So everyone should be very clear what John Locke, and what was John Locke's book's name?
The two treaties of government.
Two Treaties of Government. Good. Question number 2. Was the most successful political club? Which was the most successful
Jacobins Club.
Sir,
The
Jacobin Club.
Jacobins Club.
The Jacobin Club. Okay, correct. Okay, and what was the name of the political club, the most famous of the women political club? What was the name of that club? पढ़ा था ना हम लोगों ने? There was one women's political club which was
The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women.
the Society of Revolutionary Republican Women. That was the most famous women's political club. Okay. The first state comprised, okay, now I will ask the answer to someone and they will give the answer. The first state comprised of nobility. Who will give? Nidhi. True or false? The first state comprised of nobility. True or false? Nidhi, give the answer. All those students who are not given the answer, they will have to send me a reason. Why is it like that? Shrish, tell me, is it true or false? The first state comprised of nobility. Is it true or is it false?
Sir, may I?
False. So all the students, is it false? The first state comprised of nobility?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
The second
This is
state
false.
comprised of nobility. The first state was that of clergy. Chalo, match the column. Very easy. Okay, the students who have the new comment, are everything same in the new comment also of this year's?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
You know, if there is any question, more question or something, is there change, then do let me know. Estate belong to a king or nobleman. Estate, meaning the property. Estate belonging to a king or a nobleman. What will be it?
Manor.
Sir, option 3.
Someone is saying option 3. Someone is saying manor.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Some are saying it's chateau. Then what is an estate consisting of the lord's land and his manor? Confused. See the meaning in the book. It is in page number. Which page number? It is where there is given the map of the Great Fear.
9.
Page number 9. Yes, chateau. And everyone now see definitions are given. Chateau and manor. Chateau, a castle or stately residence belonging to a king or nobleman, and manor, an estate consisting of the lord's land and his mansion. So, is it clear? Estate belonging to a king or nobleman, the chateau, and a estate consisting of the lord's land and his manor, that is manor. Chalo, next. A tax directly paid to the state. Quite easy.
Second. Ma'am, sir, tally.
Delhi.
Delhi.
Correct. Delhi. And a tax levied by church equal to 1/10 of the agricultural produce.
Tithe.
Your option
The
A.
tithe. The tithe or tithe. Okay. Right now only just we got the definition of tithe. So what is tithe? Explain the term tithe. I think it is given just above. एकदम ऊपर ही आंसर दिया हुआ है ना? Just
Sir,
above
a
the
tax
question.
levied by church
Yes, sir.
equal to 1/10
State
of
is
the
the
agricultural
tax paid
production.
to church comprising 1/10 of the
Tax-
agricultural produce.
Tax levied by the, okay, this tax was levied on which class of people?
Third estate.
The third estate.
The third
Correct. The third estate, correct. Is everyone else following? Will everyone be able to give the answers to it? Do the exercises properly?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Which revolution gave the ideas of liberty, freedom, equality to the world? That is liberty, fraternity, and equality.
French Revolution.
The French
Revolution.
Revolution, about whom you have heard. What did the red cap worn by sans culottes in France symbolize?
Liberty.
Yes, tell me.
Free from slavery.
Actually, it is free from slavery, so you can also say it symbolizes liberty.
Liberty.
It symbolizes freedom or liberty. So you can write that. The red cap worn by sans culottes in France symbolizes liberty or freedom. Was the red cap allowed to be worn by women?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No,
No, sir.
it was not allowed to be worn by women. Who wrote the book, The Two Treatises of Government?
John
John
Locke.
John Locke. Correct. Now, political symbols. Study the picture. Well, the political symbols are given in your book. If anyone still does not know, it is given on page number 12 and 13. Everyone, do open it. So, study the picture and answer the questions that follows. Identify the political symbols of France. Symbol of royal power. Okay.
Giant.
This one here, the photograph which is given here. So, what is the symbol of royal power here in this photograph?
Personification of the law.
The personification of the law.
Yes, this correct. This lady, she shows personification of the law. That is correct. But what is the symbol of royal power here? That also tell me. It
Sir,
is given
royal stick or trident.
the scepter. You know the stick which the lady she is holding. The stick which the lady is holding, that is the scepter. See, it is given on page number 12. Page number 12 mein diya hua hai. So that is the symbol of royal power. And next, she is personification of the law. Okay, the rays of knowledge. What is the symbol of rays of knowledge?
Sir, the wings.
Nahi, isme se nahi, bachcho. Now it is done. Rays of knowledge. It is given on the pages. Everyone do see your book. I'm not asking from here. The rays of knowledge. What
Sir,
is
eye in the triangle.
The eye within a triangle radiating light.
Yes,
sir.
the eyes within a triangle radiating light. And the rays of hope. What are the rays of hope? The rays which are coming from that eye, they are rays of hope. So, you know, in examination, this kind of questions can definitely come as an MCQ type question, that, you know, a symbol will be given. Any of the symbol will be given. You will be told to identify the symbol. Now, why were women disappointed by the Constitution of 1791 in France? Quite an easy question.
Because
like-
they had not get the rights.
Well, just only writing.
The
this
right
is-
to vote.
Right to
just
vote.
only writing they did not got right to vote is not going to work. Elaborate.
The rights given to men and women were very different, and men got more rights.
The woman
correct.
does not get any political right.
Yes, women did not. So what you all can write, everyone do hear it very properly. The women were disappointed by the Constitution of 1791 in France because they were given the position of what?
Passive citizens.
Passive citizens. That is, they got no voting rights. Also, women were not given any kind of political rights. सिर्फ voting का ही अधिकार नहीं दिया गया था. They were not given any kind of political rights. And also, women were denied the rights which were given to all men under the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen. ये बात भी है कि नहीं? Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen में जो rights दिए गए थे to all men, even those rights were not given to women. So that is why women were disappointed. So write, 3 points. First, they were made into passive citizens, meaning no right to vote. Also, they were not given any kind of political right, and the rights which were given to all men under Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen, those universal rights were also not given to women. That's why women were disappointed by the Constitution of 1791. Understood all these 3 points? Only writing women were not given right to vote, that's why they were disappointed. That is not going to work. You will have to write in an elaborate way all the 3 points. Did everyone get it? What 3 points now
Please
you
tell
want
the
to write?
third point.
Yes, sir.
The third point is that women were also not given those rights, those universal rights, which were given to all men under the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen. Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen के अंदर बहुत से rights दिए गए थे, which were like universal and fundamental rights, natural rights. But they were only given to men. औरतों को वो rights नहीं मिले थे. Those rights were not given to women.
After declaration, what you said?
Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen. बच्चों पता है कि नहीं Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen? Didn't we studied about it? It was the preamble of the Constitution of 1791. Students,
Yes,
do not worry. Today, definitely, this is going to be on YouTube and you will get its link. You can again listen to it. Do not worry about that. Differentiate between active and passive citizens. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया था. What are all the points? Differentiate between active and passive citizens. What are all the points? First, write active. Write like this. First, give the heading active citizens. Then write the points. Then give the heading passive citizens. Then write the points. Last year, okay. Next, no one is going to write answers from internet. I should not get any answers from internet. Okay, in internet there was one answer which last year students wrote in tests also. Active citizens were rich people and they were educated. That is why they got the right to vote. Passive citizens were uneducated. They were illiterate, and that is why they were passive citizens. Bas. Is it a proper definition of active and passive citizen like this?
The
Did you write?
citizens were citizens
Yes,
who
sir.
had the right to vote and were older than 25 years, and they were mostly men, and this were 4 million of the total population of France.
So, you will have to write all the points properly, bachcho. Write active first. Either you can make a line and write here on one side, you write active, on another side, you write passive citizens, or you can just simply put first, write about active citizens, then passive citizens. Active citizens, who are they? Active citizens do not write those people. Remember, active citizens were only men. अगर आप लिखते हो those people, in people, men and women both come. Active citizens were those men who were given the right to vote. Who are these men? ये men कौन थे? All those men
Above the age of
who were
25.
yes, all those men who were
above 25 years and can
years
pay
of
the
age.
3 years wage.
Not 3 years wage, and who
The
paid
3 days wage.
yes
3 days of a
but
laborers.
that is, you will have to explain it. All those men who were above 25 years of age and who paid the minimum required tax, which was tax equal to 3 days of a laborer's wage. Only they were given the right to vote. And if you wish, you can write the numbers. What was the total number, which is given in book. Who are passive citizen? All women. All women were passive citizens who were not given right to vote. So active and passive, the basic difference is active, they had right to vote, passive, they did not have right.
Men also
Yes, all
don't
women,
have the-
children, youth below 25, all the youth below 25 years of age, and men who were not able to pay the minimum required amount of tax. So they were passive citizens. Now, will there be any confusion? Will you all be able to write about active and passive citizens properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Chalo. How did French Revolution affected the everyday life of people in France? Isn't that the one of the topics, one of the last topics which we discussed in the last class?
Yes.
Abolition of censorship. We studied about that. Yes or no? पढ़ा था कि नहीं हम लोगों ने? Abolition of censorship.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have studied. So who is going to answer this question? Anyone? And yes, इसका answer शायद इसमें ना अटे. Question number 3 is a long answer. Maybe you won't be able to write its full answer in the comment. So you all can write its answer in your copy. So tell me how French Revolution affected the everyday life of people. An entire section is given on that. Yes, students, come on, tell me. Weren't most of you present in the last class? Maximum of you were present in the last class, isn't it? Am I audible, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, kis tarah? Last time, do you all remember we read about how censorship was abolished and new books and plays and pamphlets and all these things started spreading all over
The
France.
feudal system was also abolished.
Feudal system was abolished. So what are the points you all can write in this answer? How did French Revolution affected the everyday life of the people of France? Definitely you will have to write about the abolition of censorship and its effects on French people. Censorship को abolish करने के बाद क्या उसका effect हुआ? Definitely you write about that because an entire section is given. What is that unit? I think it is unit number 6, isn't it? In the chapter.
Yes, sir.
It is unit number 6. So everyone do read it. And after writing about abolition of censorship and its effects, definitely write what were the other changes. Feudal system was abolished. And now third estate people were free from feudal obligations. They did not need to pay the feudal taxes. That you can write. The power of clergy and nobility were taken. And what changes came in the lives of women, that also you can write. So write these things. Okay, going to the next one. What is subsistence crisis in France during old regime? What is subsistence crisis in France during old regime? Yes?
So right.
The people
Yes,
does not get bread to eat.
Satyam? Yes?
The people of France were not getting the.
First, Satyam, give me the definition. What is the definition of subsistence crisis, which is given in the book?
Sir, an extreme,
Same condition where the
an
basic means
extreme
of livelihood
situation
is
where
engaged.
Yes, an extreme situation where the
Basic means
basic
of
means
life
of
were
livelihood
not
are
there.
endangered.
correct. So first you write about the definition. All the students. I was so, angry on students last year when I saw the examination copy of half yearly because it was all online examinations. पता नहीं कहाँ subsistence crisis का कुछ भी, answer उन्होंने लिखा था. From I don't know from where. Even if you do not write basic means of livelihood, the definition will be wrong. If you just write means of livelihood can be many means. The basic means of livelihood. So first of all, in subsistence crisis, write down the definition which is given in your book. Subsistence crisis is an extreme situation when the basic means of livelihood are endangered. After that, step by step, you will have to explain how subsistence crisis happened in old regime. So what will be the first point? How subsistence crisis happened in the old regime? Pehla point batao. Students, what will be the first point? How subsistence crisis started in France? What was the main reason?
Sir, in 18th century, the population of France rose sharply.
Rose sharply. You can write, what was how much it increased? Kitna बढ़ गया था?
From 23 million to
23.
28 million.
23 million to 28 million. If you cannot remember, the exact data, 23 million to 28 million, you can write in the 18th century, the population of France rose, too much, you can write, or very much, you can write like that. And then what happened because of that? What happened because of the rise in population? Next point of subsistence crisis. Bachcho, what happened after that? After rise in population, what it led to?
Food crisis.
Food crisis. Only writing food crisis is not going to work. Demand for food grains increased as the population rose, and production could not meet the demand. Production utna nahi बढ़ पाया. Production could not meet the demand. Because of this, what happened? There was a sharp rise in price of food. बहुत ज़्यादा दाम बढ़ गया, of especially the staple diet bread. And why people were not able to buy it? Why most of the people were not able to afford it? What was the reason for that?
Because they were not having that much
They
money
were
to buy it.
expensive.
Why they were not having that?
Sir, because
Because the
the
wages
bread
are
has become so much expensive.
And the
Because
wages were not
Yes,
increasing
The
also.
taxes were increased.
taxes increased. Do not write about taxes. Price of food was increasing, but the wages of laborers was fixed. The wages were not increasing according to the price. That is the main reason. And because of this, what happened? The gap between the rich and poor, it widened. And, after that, if any natural calamity came, like, a drought or famine happened, hailstorm happened, or drought, or because of bitter cold, there was more of less production of food grains. And all this led to subsistence crisis. So you'll have to write step by step. Okay, do you all remember that there was a flow chart of subsistence crisis in your book? A flow chart diya hua tha of subsistence crisis on page number 6. Bachcho?
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
there is a flow chart.
Yes, sir.
Even after writing the answer, that is the definition. आपने पहले definition लिख दिया subsistence crisis का. After that, make this flow chart properly. Total full flow chart with all the contents in it. Then also you will get full marks. So flow chart making is easy, or writing it into points will be easy for you all. What will you all like? It can be anything.
So flow chart.
Whoever wish in flowchart, write in like that, and anyone wants to write in points. And yes, again and again I'm saying, write your answer in points. Like, divide the paragraphs in different points and then write it. Do not write it in a single paragraph. Next, long answer questions. How did France become a constitutional monarchy? Explain. कैसे France constitutional monarchy बना? This is a long answer question. It is long. Everyone tell me, who is going to give its answer? Step by step. Step by step, how France became a constitutional monarchy. Very much silence is there in class.
Sir, the king.
Confused in this question? So from how you are going to write it, that the demand of, कहाँ से शुरू करोगे? From the meeting of Estates General, students.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
remember the meeting of Estates General where the demands of the third estate were rejected by the king, and after that the members of third estate, they walked out and they formed National Assembly, and they gave themselves the task to make a constitution for France. याद है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
What about other students? ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि क्लास में it is not discussion of question answers, it is like कोई शोक सभा चल रही है, some शोक सभा is going on, morning, everyone is silent. Yeah, French Revolution chapter finished, it died. Is it like the French Revolution chapter is finished, the French Revolution died and everyone is doing mourning? सब शोक जता रहे. Everyone silent.
No, sir.
Most of you is silent. So what happened? What were the steps? First, what happened? One by one, students tell me. Starting from
Sir, the
the
king
meeting of
wanted to
estates.
impose taxes.
Meeting of state general.
No, do not need to write. You do not need to write that why the king, asked for the meeting of a state general. Start from the rejection of the demand of the third estate. वहाँ से शुरू करो. So what will
So,
be?
sir, the third estate demanded to get equal right to vote. That the population of third estate is very much, so we want more votes.
More
Every
votes or
Sir, every people has one vote.
yes, okay. And
So,
this
sir, the
was
king
rejected.
rejected the demand. So
Okay.
they walked to tennis courts and they made the constitution of France in almost 2 years. And then they gave it to the king, and the king rejected this also. So the revolution happened, and the king said that I will be there. I will accept it.
Okay, the most of the things you have said is correct. Yes. Anyone else who would like to say? So, okay, listen everyone, listen very properly. First of all, the meeting of Estates General happened in which the third estate demanded for one vote for one person. You can write that, which was rejected. First point. After being rejected, the members of third estate, they walked out from the meeting of Estates General, and later they formed the National Assembly. The task of National Assembly was to create or make a constitution for France which would reduce the power of the king. Okay. And after that, what you will write, that all over France, protests started happening against the king. The great fear spread. Great fear जब शुरू हो गया था, and the king, out of fear, accorded recognition to National Assembly. राजा ने डर के चलते, because of fear from his revolting subjects, the king accorded recognition to the National Assembly. Then, in which year National Assembly completed its draft? किस year में National Assembly ने अपना draft complete कर लिया था?
1793.
1793? 1793 में तो Reign of Terror शुरू हो गया था.
1791.
1791, yes.
Yes.
So, the draft of the constitution, it was completed in the year 1791, and after that France became constitutional monarchy. You can also write what happened under constitutional monarchy. You can write the king's powers were reduced to a great level, feudal privileges were abolished, church assets were taken from clergy, so, and citizens were divided into active and passive citizens. So then write few points that what happened under constitutional monarchy. Like this, you will have to write. If anyone finds it difficult, do let me know. I will send the answer. Do not worry about that. Next, social disparity was one of the major cause of French Revolution. Do you know what is the meaning of the word disparity? Social disparity.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning? Social disparity.
Discrimination.
Discontent.
Discontent or discrimination, inequality, that is all disparity. Social disparity was one of the major cause of French Revolution. As we all know, there was inequality, there was discrimination between different parts of French society. So justify this statement. Do you all agree with this statement? First of all, tell me this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about others? Is it true that social disparity was one of the major causes of French Revolution?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How was it, Anjali? Very silent today. Tell me your views, Anjali. How do you think social disparity was the cause of French Revolution, major cause?
Sir, because in the Constitution of 1791, all the rights were given to the men,
No, no.
not to women.
Wait, Bachcho. Here we are not talking about Constitution of 1791. Here we are talking about cause. You know, when French Revolution started. So think about the society of the old regime. Here there is nothing to do with, you know, your constitution. यहाँ पे constitution के बारे में है ही नहीं. यहाँ पे है जब first time शुरू हुआ, when the first French Revolution started. So now you, Anjali, say, tell. What was the condition of France? Wasn't there social disparity before French Revolution in France? So now from that point of view,
Yes,
tell.
sir.
Yeah, now tell me. What is your answer? क्या हुआ बच्चों? And half of the class
Right.
is okay.
If all the three states would have got the same rights, then no one would have then any person wouldn't think about the idea of having a revolution in France.
Very correct. So what was the condition? What were the social differences in France in the old regime? That is before revolution, which actually was one of the major causes of the revolution. क्या condition था France का? What was the
The
condition?
first and second estate did not have to pay the tax, only the third estate had to pay.
Only this? सिर्फ ये था? Nothing else? Didn't the first and second estate exploited the people of the third estate to a great level?
Yes, sir.
Many of the taxes were on the people of third estate. Special taxes were there. The poor people of the third estate, they had to render feudal obligations. Feudal obligations render करना पड़ता है. What are feudal obligations? You know, in year for a particular time period, they had to work in the fields of the nobles. Nobles के fields में काम करना पड़ता था. And what else? You know, they had to work in their houses without any kind of a payment. It was a little bit like of slavery. So when these all the things, yes.
So creation of first state, second state, and third state was also somewhere on the other hand social disparity only.
Well, definitely creation of third estate. लेकिन बच्चों सिर्फ इतना लिखने से नहीं होगा ना. You will have to write. Don't you have to write that what were the conditions? What first and second estate were doing? What kind of discrimination the people of third estate were facing? किस तरह का discrimination वो face कर रहे थे? You know, what kind of life the people of third estate were leading, because of which they became so angry. ये लिखना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? Won't all these points are necessary? आप लोग को ये पता है कि नहीं बच्चों? Don't that what kind of things were there? Just read page number 4. Everything is given in page number 4. So you will have to write about the three estates, what was the condition of the first estate, second estate, and how third estate people were tortured. They were, you know, burdened with all the tax of France, how they were exploited in the name of feudal privileges, what kind of work they had to do free of cost in the land of the nobles and in the house. And this made the third estate people so angry. They had to pay a huge amount of tax. So definitely all these were one of the major causes of French Revolution. हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा ये आंसर?
तो हो पाएगा.
हो पाएगा.
Sir, हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. Okay, good. Who was Robespierre? Why was his reign referred to as the reign of terror? Give 4 reasons. Who was Robespierre?
Sir, he was the leader of the Jacobins Club.
He was the leader of the Jacobin clubs. Correct. Why was his reign referred to as the reign of terror? क्यों उसका reign जो है reign of terror कहलाता था?
Because he had strict policies.
Okay,
Sir,
what was the time period of reign of terror? First, tell me that.
1791 to 1793.
1791 to 93. देखो. Open book.
1793 to 1794.
What is given in book?
Sir, 1793 to 1794.
1793 to 1794. Given on page number 16. 1793 to 1794 is referred to as reign of terror. Why it was known as reign of terror?
Sir, because to whom he thought that he can.
In the first line, देखो second line में दिया हुआ है, Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and terror, severe control and punishment. The reign of terror was known as like this because Robespierre followed policy of severe control and punishment. Severe control और punishment का policy उसने अपनाया था. Give 4 reasons. अब 4 reasons बताओ. What happened during reign of terror? क्या होता था reign of terror के दौरान?
To whom he thought that he can
Anyone who did not
going
agree with
against him,
Robespierre's policies
One by one.
was
he has
guillotined.
given
One by
guillotine.
one, students, one by one. Yes, Rishabh, first you give the answer. First point.
Sir, anyone, whoever Robespierre found suspicious to the government or someone who did not follow his policies was guillotined.
Guillotine. You do not write anyone who Robespierre found. You can write anyone who was found to be suspicious and suspicious was arrested and was sent to the guillotine. That is one thing. Okay. And you can write thousands of people were killed during the reign of terror just on the basis of suspicion. That is one point. Next point. Who will give the next point? Anshika. Give the next point, Anshika.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, his government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices.
Yes, that is one thing. लेकिन उससे भी और थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिखना पड़ेगा. What else? What else? People were forced to eat, equality bread and white bread, or people were forced to eat the equality bread and white flour was prohibited. The use of white flour was prohibited. What else? और क्या किया था रॉबस्पियर ने? बताओ इतने सारे हैं इसमें examples. Any more 2 points? Give me.
Peasants were forced to transport their grain to cities and sell it at the prices which were fixed by government.
Yes, that is one thing. And what about Monsieur and Madame?
Churches were shut down and they were converted to office and barracks.
Churches were shut down. They were converted to office and barracks. What else? What are the other points?
The year is of 10 months and the names of the months were.
Yeah, you may write it. You may not write it. You can write it. You cannot write it. That because that was in the video. If you wish, you can write. If you do not wish, you may not write. So there are many points which are given about reign of terror. Do not just write 4 reasons. Write at least 5 to 6 reasons. Whatever is given in the book. You all need to know all the 5 to 6 reasons. Whatever is given in the book. So definitely you can write about all those. And you can also write, Robespierre even executed all those men from his own political party who suggested any kind of a change in the policies. You can write that point also. So like this, we can do. I'm not stopping the class in between because recording is going on, then it will be stopped in between. So should we continue with the discussion?
Yes, sir.
So,
yes, sir.
Yeah, I can see that most of the students are like, everyone has become so tired that most of the students have left the class. Fine, let it be. So here the comment exercises end, but let us go to the next one, which is some things are also given. First of all, map work. So what are the places which needed to be done in the map? Do you all remember? Bordeaux, Nantes, Marseilles, Paris, and the places not affected by Great Fear. So what I will do, all those who have the Comet, I think you all can easily do the map work in the Comet. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can easily do the map work in Comet. All those who do not have the map work, how come they are going to do? वो कैसे करने वाले हैं? How they are going to do the map work? Can those who do not have the Comet, can they get a printout? Take out a printout. I will what
Yes.
I will mark the areas. मैं map work में mark कर दूंगा areas को, which you all need to know and do it, and then you need to submit it. So it was map work. There are some questions which are given. So see, it is very nicely given, concept map of French Revolution. So I'm just going to go in the some here like this. Half yearly model paper is also given. Can everyone see the half yearly model paper on their screens?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let us see what are the questions given in the
So
half
what
yearly.
is the page number?
The page number is 24 in the combined PDF which I have. Maybe maybe it is given. Is it given in the Comet, in the hard copy of the Comet, which you all
Yes,
have?
sir. We got
Yes, sir.
on 24.
Page 24 only.
Okay, it is in page 24 only. Good. So
Yes, sir.
half-yearly model paper. France. So first of all, match the columns are there. Let us see. France declared a republic. In which year France was declared a republic? In which year France was declared a republic? Page number 15. See page number 15. Last paragraph. Page number 15 in book, last paragraph. In which year France was declared as a republic?
1792 to 1903.
1 year. एक year बोलो. यहाँ पे जो column 2 में दिया हुआ है. Which year?
1792.
1792. Yes.
1792.
France was declared a republic in the year 1792. Correct. France became a constitutional monarchy. Very easy. Tell me.
1791.
1791, because the constitution was completed in 1791. Robespierre was executed in which year? It is, I think, given on page number 16. Last paragraph of page number 16. In which year Robespierre was guillotined?
1794.
1794.
1794. Correct. Storming of the Bastille happened in which year?
1789.
1789. Correct. The big.
1789.
Okay, good. Let us see what are the more questions given here. Okay, study the picture, identify the political symbols of France. We all know, we have discussed this one. Next, everyone, you also keep an eye. What are the questions of French Revolution? Let us see. Okay, discuss. Can you all see section B? Question number 21. Discuss the measures taken by Robespierre to bring equality in France. Can you all see this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So Robespierre ने equality लाने के लिए फ्रांस में क्या-क्या measures लिया था? What were the measures taken by Robespierre to bring equality in
Sir,
France?
the pure white flour was banned. Sir. The equality bread was forced to eat.
Okay, that is one point. देखो
Slavery.
3 marks का है, so you at least need to write 3
Sir and
points.
madam name were changed.
Sir and Madam name was name. It is not a name. It is a title. वो एक title है. So you know, explain it
Yes, sir,
total.
that only.
पूरा बोलो. What was the full thing? Now men and women will not be addressed as Monsieur, not Sir. Monsieur and Madame. Instead, men and women will be addressed as citoyen and citoyenne, meaning citizens. Isn't this is the full answer for this? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And last point, 3 points. अगर 3 marks का question है तो 3 points at least. Any one more point? Tell. Meat and bread were rationed. ये नहीं था, meat and bread were rationed. Farmers were or peasants were forced to sell their grains coming to the city at the fixed price given by the government. Wages and prices were fixed. ये सारे points है कि नहीं? You all can write all these points here. Measures taken by Robespierre to bring equality in France.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see next. Describe the divisions of French society before the revolution of 1789. Is it an easy question? For 3 points, can you all describe the division which was there in French society before the revolution of 1789? Write about the 3 estates. Write about clergy, write about nobility, write about the third estate people in this. Chalo, next, let us see what are
The state people does not have any specific name like nobility or clergy.
Who? The third estate people. Yeah, the third estate people were the third estate people. They were the common people, the commoners, we can say. They were the common people, the commoners. The third estate were the third estate.
Sir, if it will
Yes.
ask in exam that what are the 3 estates, so we will write clergy, nobility, and
the third estate, in which you can write the common people.
so in third estate we will write common people.
No, write third estate. That means the common people of France, which included, अब उसमें कौन थे? There were middle class people also who were rich and wealthy and educated, and most of them were the poor people. And you can write they were in majority in population of France, so you will write like that. Yes, we will write third estate only. Okay, let us see any more questions if there are. Looks like here there are no more questions. What significant decision were taken by the National Assembly led by the third estate on 4th August 1789? What were its results? Very good question, and this is of 5 marks question, बच्चों. 5 marks का question है. So where you will get its answer? It is given on page number 9. Open page number 9, everyone, of your NCERT book. Page number 9. Last paragraph. Can you all see what is given in the last paragraph of page number 9?
Yes, sir.
Anjali, can you read the last paragraph? Or Amrita?
Which?
After this, the next question will be for Yash. Yash, you are there in class? Your book is open?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, which question?
Yes, Anjali?
Sir, you have told to read.
Read the last paragraph of page number 9.
Faced with the power of his revolting subjects, Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would now to be checked by the Constitution. On the night of 4th August 1789, the Assembly passed a
decree
abolishing the feudal system of obligations and taxes. Members of clergy too were forced to give up their privileges. Thefts were abolished and lands owned by the church were confiscated. As a result, the government acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livres.
Okay, I think that is the only, it is finished here. So students, here is your answer for this question. And you can get 5 points. So definitely not from the beginning. So as you all can see that on the night, so what is the question? What significant decision was taken by the National Assembly led by the third estate on 4th August 1789? So what is it? On the night of 4th August 1789, the Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligations and taxes Members, so this will be the first point. Second point, members of the clergy too were forced to give up their privileges. Third point, tithes were abolished and lands owned by the church were confiscated. Fourth point, as a result, the government acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livres. So please underline it. So everyone will be able to now write the answer of this if this comes in examination or test. This kind of a question. Entire answer is given in the NCERT. Yes or no? Will you be able to write or not this answer?
Yes, sir. We'll be able to.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In
We
copy
will be
also
able
do
to write.
You know, last year I did not explain all these things in the when I was discussing French Revolution's format answers, but better to do it right now. इसको revision के लिए छोड़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Better you do it all now only. Okay, let me just everyone wait. Let me send a reminder
Sir, we
to
have
all.
to write the answer in fair copy.
Yes, yes, in the fair copy. Write the question and also write the answer in the fair copy. Yes. Okay, let me just send the reminder to all those students who have already left.
Sir, we have to join the next class.
It's
It is my class only, Bachu. Remember?
yes, sir.
Yes,
1
sir.
hour
Yes, sir.
40 minutes you will teach.
And it is the same link. So you
40
do not
minutes
need to
to
leave the class. Yeah, you do not need to leave. It is already 11 a.m. So you do not need to leave the class. Okay, it is my class. That is why I continue today's discussion.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, just a second, everyone. Let me just send a reminder. Ninth T. Okay, fine. So just a second, everyone. Looks like the document is closed. Okay. Okay, is the screen again visible, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So next, let us see. Even you all can see some of the questions of given here of civics also. Explain representative democracy. Why is representative democracy the common form of government in modern times? So these things are also given. So these are very important. See, outline map, how the map can be given. Like this point is given and this point. Can anyone identify? Let us try. Open page number 9 and see the map. Page number 9 खोलो सब लोग और map को देखो and let us try to identify these places.
Yes, sir.
A. What is A?
So,
Actually, it is not very properly marked. बहुत properly mark नहीं किया गया है. But what is the city which I have told you to mark in map in the end? See?
sir, Toulouse.
What I said, do not go because here marking is little bit थोड़ा सा गलत मार्किंग किया गया है. It is a little bit wrong mark. But कौन सा city है from which the people went to Paris singing a song which became the national assembly, national anthem of France?
Sure.
Marseille.
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 So अगर इस तरह गलत पॉइंट किया हुआ रहे तो जानना कि नीचे इस तरफ मार्सेलिस ही है. Here it is Marseilles only. Okay, I don't know why time to time is happening like this. Just a second. Okay, it is Marseilles which is given. Okay, wait everyone, just a second. Okay, so and this is geography's map is also given here. Okay, subject enrichment, we do not need to do this one. Okay, so this is done here. So these are about French Revolution. I think in the end also it is given. Everyone knows this thing or not, that this year in the annual examinations entire syllabus is going to come. Pura syllabus aane wala hai in
Yes, sir.
this year. Yes, that is one thing.
Yes,
The
sir.
CBSE has
there are
announced
What,
no
sir?
course will be deleted this year.
What will be deleted this year?
Sir, no course will be deleted this year.
Yes, no course will be deleted this year, but we never, maybe it will be deleted. It can come from CBSE. We never know. Last year, one chapter, which is forest and colonialism, that was deleted last year. So maybe this will be deleted if it comes from CBSE. So see, here is the annual examination term. So let us find some of the questions which are given from the annual examination about French Revolution. Let us see if there is any question. Okay, here. First, question number 15. Can everyone see question number 15?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Name the composer of French national anthem Marseillaise. Roger de Leslie, Mirabeau, Abbassius, Montesquieu. Who was? Hmm?
Sir, first option.
First option. Roger de Leslie. Chalo. Okay, arrange the following in the correct sequence. This is interesting. France becomes a republic, Bastille is stormed, Napoleon becomes emperor of France, Louis XVI became the king of France. सबसे पहले कौन सा होगा? Which will be the first
Sir,
one?
Bastille is stormed.
Louis
फिर से
16.
सोचो.
Bastille is stormed.
Sir, Louis 16 became the king of France.
Louis
Yes, sir.
16
First Louis
was
16 became the king of France.
2413.
Rishabh.
No,
No,
Bast-
sir.
Sir,
Bast-
4, 2,
Sir,
3, 1.
4213.
4,
Sir,
2
4,
first.
2, 1, 3.
421.
Option C.
Sir,
Correct.
4213.
4, 2, 1, 3. That is
Sir,
first.
4, 2, 3,
Option
1.
C. Option
एक
C.
मिनट, कोई 4 to 3. How come 4? How come 4 to 3 was? कैसे 4 to 3 was? Napoleon became
Sir, 4,
emperor of France
Sir,
first.
4213.
Sir, this is easy because Napoleon became emperor of France at the end, and
Well,
3 is
you
there
know,
only in one option.
yes. So well, 4 Louis 16 became the king of France. Options ko chodo. You all have read the entire chapter of French Revolution. Louis 16 became the king of France. That is first. Second, Bastille is stormed. After that, France becomes a republic under the Jacobin Club convention, and at the end is Napoleon becomes emperor of France.
Yes,
So
sir.
it
Option
is,
C.
yeah, 4, 2, 1 and then 3 option. 4, 2, 1, 3 option. Correct. Let us go to the next question. Let us see what are the questions here. Next. Discuss socio-cultural. Subha, define burst. Okay. Okay, more questions are not given in French Revolution here. Okay, good. So this is all about, okay, here is here is all about French Revolution. Now, how many students have joined? Again, 23 students are in the class. Now, let us see the NCERT question answers of French Revolution, which are also very, very easy. Not this one, just a second, everyone. Everyone open their last page of French Revolution, the question answers exercises. Let us do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, questions. Just a second, everyone. Let me now share. Okay. Can you all see the question answers, questions of
Yes, sir.
French?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo.
Yes, sir.
Let us try. Let us start from the last question. How would you explain the rise of Napoleon? कैसे करके आप बताओगे how Napoleon came in power?
This one we have not done only. You have told you'll take one more extra class.
Sir,
What
everyone was
Someone was
sir,
saying
he's
something.
telling that you have not taught this, Om Jaiswal.
Sir, we have missed the class, extra class which you have done.
You have
Well,
missed, we have not.
I only.
You all, well, you all have missed. Why did you all miss that class? Wasn't that your fault, बच्चों?
I didn't.
Sir, I think I
So
have,
not all, only few missed.
sir, I have also missed.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, extra classes are there for you all, you know, so that everyone should participate in it. Everyone should be there in that class. You know, many of you missed. Why? Why was it like that? The directory rule which happened in France. Okay, those who were in the class, first tell me. Okay, those who missed the class, for them, I'm just explaining very quickly. Understand. A directory rules France. I did this in an extra class, Rishabh?
Yes,
I can't
sir.
remember.
Yes,
I
sir.
did
You
it.
had explained in extra class very deeply and nicely.
Okay, okay, good. So, Rishabh, when did I took that extra class? Do you remember?
Sir, wait, I am checking the date.
Yeah, just check the date. Let me see that if I still have the recording of that class or not.
Sir, on 31 May. No, sir, no.
Not on 31st. 31st, we had a regular class.
Sir, you had taken on 25 May 3 p.m.
On 25th May. Okay. So if I have recorded the class, I will definitely post it. Okay. So the directory rule France after the reign of terror जब खत्म हो गया, after Robespierre was died, after he was executed, you know, a directory was ruling France. As we all know that the national government was made by the rich middle class people, wealthier middle class people. They made the National Assembly's government. उनके हाथों से, you know, Jacobins ने power को छीना था. That the power was taken from their hands by the Jacobins, and they formed the convention. As soon as Robespierre was guillotined, he was killed. The convention, the government of convention, fell down. And as soon as with the fall of Jacobin government, it allowed again the wealthier middle class to seize power. Wealthier middle class jo tha, as we all know, middle class was also part of the third estate only. They again took power in their own hands. And this group was also known as Thermidorians. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertite sections of society. Everyone remembers that in the National Assembly also there was distinction between rich and poor. सबको याद है? National Assembly में भी, you know, there was distinction between rich and poor in that government. Active, passive citizens. All those men who were not paying taxes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way, again, when the middle class people, they took power in their own hands, you know, they again made a distinction that all those men, all those people who do not have properties, they were not given the right to vote. It provided for 2 elected legislative councils. Though elected legislative councils बनाए गए, we can say 2 parliaments were made. Do not write the word parliament. 2 legislative councils were made, and then they appointed a directory, an executive made up of 5 members. और एक directory बनाया गया, which was the executive body, and it had 5 members. Why there were 5 members in the executive body? So that power does not remains in one hand. किसी एक इंसान के हाथ में power ना रह जाए, like with what happened during Robespierre's government. Robespierre was the main person in the executive and he had almost all the powers in his hands. So इस तरह के power, so that power is not concentrated in the hands of one person. So the executive was made up of 5 directors, which was known as directory. From this, the name comes the directory, rules France, directory government. Next, against, okay, Vishwajit is saying something. Vishwajit, plug your phone into charge and do the class. Isn't there any electricity?
Sir, Vishwajit says that if we plug our phone into the charger and use it, that phone is gonna blast, which is a myth.
Vishwajit, that never happens. Who told you this thing?
Sir, only mom say this when you play games a lot.
Yes, sir. Sir, but
Okay.
sometimes the
Okay,
phone
she is
gets
joining
off.
from other. And also, students, be very
Not
careful.
cases of bypass charging.
Well, be very careful to charge your devices in night only. Okay. You know, even while I'm doing classes from laptop, my laptop is plugged in with the charger. So whenever you are ready for the class, you know, be sure that your phone, and you know, please do, no one should say I could not do class because my phone was discharged. Never do that. Okay. So next, what happened, how Napoleon came in power? So there was always clash between the 5 directory members. जो 5 directors थे और जो 2 legislative assembly के members थे, हमेशा आपस में झगड़ा होता था. It is given here. However, the directors often clashed with the legislative councils, who then sought to dismiss them. As soon as the directors clashed with the legislative assembly members, the directors were dismissed and new directors came in the scene. This created a lot of political instability in France. बहुत ज़्यादा political instability हो गया France में. Too much political chaos, instability came in France. And Napoleon Bonaparte was already a kind of a local hero in France. He was very popular among the French people. And now French people were also very disappointed by the revolutionary government. As you all have seen, the government of National Assembly was not perfect. The directory rule, the rule of the convention was the reign of terror. And the directory rule created political instability and chaos in France. So now many people in France were upset, were really upset with the results of the revolution and revolutionary government. So many of them now wanted king's rule or a dictator's rule in France right now. And this gave Napoleon Bonaparte the opportunity, who was already a very famous and very popular military leader in France. And with the help of the local people and with the power of military, he took power in his own hands, taking advantage of the political instability created by the rule of the directory. And that is how Napoleon Bonaparte came in power in France, and later in 1804 he became the Emperor of France. So that is how Napoleon Bonaparte came. So students will be now able to write कैसे करके Napoleon Bonaparte power में आया.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully. Okay, good. So let us go to the next question. Which, okay, fifth one, would you agree with the view that the message of universal rights was beset with contradictions? Universal rights, you know, which were given in the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen. इसके भी आंसर्स पता नहीं स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ से इंटरनेट से खोज के लिखते हैं, तो मेरी समझ में नहीं आता है कि मैंने पढ़ाया भी नहीं, and you know suddenly they have become so enlightened. Do not do that. It's very easy. Contradictions. Universal rights बोला जा रहा है. You know, the rights which were given in Declaration of Rights and Man and Citizen, they were saying they are natural and universal rights. That is for everyone. But do you think that there were contradictions to this thing? Was it really true that was those rights for everyone? Tell me.
No, sir.
So what were the contradictions? Contradictions क्या थे? What were the contradictions?
Sir, women were not
Sir,
considered
women
as
and
powerful
poor
as men, and rich were given
and
more
sir, poor
opportunity and chance to participate in the government.
Okay, good. Anyone else? Yash?
Women were born to handle the house, not outward jobs.
ऋषभ, इस तरह आंसर लिखने से नहीं चलेगा ना?
Women and
Yash,
poor
wait. Yash,
were not
would
given
you
any
like to give its
political
answer?
rights.
What were the contradictions in the universal, rights, Declaration of Rights? एक जगह बोला जा रहा है वो सबके लिए. These are for everyone, universal. But they were not. Can you give me your views, Yash, regarding this? Yash, are you there in class? Can't hear. Soumya, give the answer. What were the contradictions? Yash, you are raising your hand. Give the answer. Can't hear. Amrita, what about you? What were the contradictions to this? At one hand, as being said universal rights, but were they really universal?
No, sir.
And from the beginning, I can see Muhammad, Anas, he is on hold. Definitely looks like, class mein aa gaye, attendance is there and doing something else. That is what it's showing. If someone is
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the
permanently.
question? I was not switching on. That's why I was raising the hand.
Okay, Yash. So now say, what are your views regarding this answer?
Sir, what's the question?
Question number 5th, Yash. Would you agree with the view that the message of universal rights, the rights which were given to all the men in France in the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen, एक हाथ में बोला जा रहा है, in one hand it is being said that the rights are universal. Universal means for everyone. But were they universal? क्या सबको ये rights मिले थे which were given in the rights to man and citizen?
Sir. No, sir.
So what are the contradictions? क्या contradictions थे? उसमें क्या गलतियां थी? What are the things? Tell me.
Sir, I'm not able.
Well, students, very easy. Were those rights given to women? The rights of the universal rights.
No,
Were
sir.
they given to women? They were not given.
Women were not included.
Women were not included. Okay. Were the political rights given to the poor men? According to universal rights, were the political rights given to?
No, sir.
Yes,
There are
even
difference was created as active or passive citizens, and it is given that it is universal, but it was differentiating between active and passive citizen and giving the all rights to active citizen only.
yes, correct. So we can say that the universal rights were only for men, and especially that also we can say mostly all those rights are also even for the rich men of the society. They were not for all. So these are mainly the contradictions. Fourth one, draw up a list of democratic rights we enjoy today. Origins could be traced by the French Revolution. This is very easy. याद है Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen के कुछ rights दिए हुए थे on page number. What is the page number? Here we go. Just a second, everyone. Here, page number 11. Can everyone see page number 11, the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen? Some 10 rights are given here. Students, can you all see it? Some 10 rights are given here. Rishabh and others, am I audible?
Sir, it is not coming full.
Oh, it will come full. You all can see that. I'm not going to read each and every right now for you all. Okay. You will have to read all these rights and you will have to say, you all know about fundamental rights which you all are enjoying, democratic rights which you all enjoy. So see the similarities. Which are the rights which are similar and which rights you can say they come from French Revolution. Read these rights and see which are the rights which are similar to the rights which you all are enjoying today, which the democratic India, what we are enjoying today, and see which rights are similar, and then you can write that these are the rights which we are enjoying today, whose origins we can trace back from French Revolution. ये rights हैं जो आज हम enjoy कर रहे हैं और इनका जो origin है ये हम French Revolution में देख सकते हैं. Like this you can write. Okay, next. Describe the legacy of the French Revolution for the people of the world during the 19th and 20th centuries. Legacy of French Revolution. Last class, didn't we did legacy of French Revolution? पढ़ा था ना? Legacy of French Revolution. Students, last class में ही पढ़ा था ना legacy of French Revolution? The last topic?
Yes.
So what was the legacy of French Revolution for the world during the 19th and 20th centuries? Here you all can write it from here. It is very easy. If you write even this paragraph, this whole paragraph, I will give you full marks. Can you see the last paragraph of the chapter? The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the important legacy of the French Revolution. Can you see this?
Yes.
The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. These spread from France to the rest of Europe during the 19th century, where feudal systems were abolished. Colonized people reworked the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create a sovereign nation state. Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy are two examples of individuals who responded to the ideas coming from revolutionary France. So this is a ready-made answer which you all can write. Otherwise, you can write your own answer also in the way you want. If you all remember, I had sent you all an extra reading material. Have everyone has received it? PDF material, extra reading content. Even I shared it in the Google Classroom and it's also there in the WhatsApp group. Few days back only, I shared it. Has anyone got that?
Yes, sir, we have received.
You will have to see it. उसमें बहुत अच्छे से दिया हुआ है. In that, you know, the legacy of French Revolution explained in very nice way. So if you want to write an elaborate answer, read it and write the answer. Otherwise, write this entire paragraph. The ideas to the end from revolutionary France, answer is complete. Next, which groups of French society benefited from the revolution? Okay, let us first, three questions are together. तीन questions एक साथ हैं. Which groups of French society benefited from the revolution? Tell me.
Third state.
The middle class people of third estate.
Third estate. Okay. Yes. Well, in a way, everyone.
The rich people in the third state.
No, rich people in the third estate, correct. But even the poor people also benefited. In what way they benefited? You know, feudal obligations were now abolished. उनको जो जाके काम करना पड़ता था nobility के यहाँ पे without any payment. So feudal obligations were gone. Taxes were gone. You know, different kinds of taxes like tithes, taili, they were gone. You know, now everyone had to pay equal amount of tax. So all the people of third estate benefited from the revolution. Among them, the middle class, the rich middle class among the third estate benefited the most. सबसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने benefit लिया था. Otherwise, we can say all the people of third estate benefited from the revolution. Which groups were forced to relinquish power? ऐसे कौन से groups थे जिनको
nobility.
Clergy and nobility.
Clergy and nobility.
Very correct. The clergy and the nobility, they had to relinquish the power. Which sections of French society would have been disappointed with the outcome of the revolution?
The clergy and nobility were disappointed.
Clergy, the nobility were disappointed, and who else?
Women, clergy and noble.
Sir, women and sir, poor people also. poor
Yes.
third state people.
Women, first of all, obviously clergy and nobility were disappointed because their powers and privileges were taken.
All the people considered as passive citizens.
Yes, all those people, we can say women and poor people, poor men, they were disappointed because they were not given any political right. So they were disappointed by the outcome of the revolution. Easy answer. Easy question this is. Now, first one, describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. क्या क्या circumstances थे फ्रांस में जिसके वजह से फ्रेंच revolution हुआ? What were the reasons for French Revolution in France? So what were the reasons? Last question.
Sir,
What were the reasons?
People of the third states were overburdened and were forced to do the works which they didn't like, which made them aggressive.
Okay, that is one. What else? What else? सिर्फ इतना लिखने से नहीं चलेगा ना? Financial condition of France. वो भी तो लिखना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir. Financial condition of the France was dropping, and all the taxes were increased on the third state, and all the.
नहीं. Again wrong. Taxes were not increased. Taxes increase करने का बात हुआ था. You know, taxes were not increased in France. Again and again, I'm saying. Already there were many taxes which the people were paying, but there was a talk that taxes are going to increase, and that is why a States General meeting was called. But it failed, so taxes were not increased. Financial condition of France was bad. Lot of debt was there. Over 2 billion livres of debt was there over France. And what else? What was the role? What was the role of? Was there any role of French philosophers for the start of the revolutionary revolution? क्या French philosophers का भी कोई role था revolution को शुरू करने में?
Yes, sir. They were encouraging people to protest against the and
French philosophers, through their works, through their books, they encouraged people to ask questions. They encouraged people to protest against the injustices which were happening in the society, and that is how they inspired.
Make them aware of their rights.
Made them very correct. They made them aware of their rights, and through there it started. And what, you know, political conditions were there. There were political reasons because of what French Revolution started. In the political reasons, you can write that, you know, just a second, everyone. Is the screen still visible?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, time to time, I don't know why the screen is not visible. Just a second. I think now it's again visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, you can divide it into three parts. Economic conditions of France, economic reasons. In economic reasons, you can write about the poor condition of French economy, why it became so poor. You know, France held 13 American colonies, because of which it had got a lot of debt. And also, you know, the condition of France was really bad. So economic conditions you can write. Political conditions you can write that the demands of the people of the third estate was denied in the meeting of a States General. That is another reason for the start of. Agar wo demand maan liye hote, so maybe there wouldn't have been a revolution. That is one thing you can write. Social conditions. What were the social conditions? That is the main. Social disparities in France. The discrimination between first, second, and third estate. How first and second estate they used to exploit the third estate people. So you will have to write like this. It's a long answer question. A long answer. There should be headings. You know, social reasons, political reasons, economic reasons for the starting of, and also definitely write the role of French philosophers. उनका भी role आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. So it's a lot of work. बहुत सारे questions हैं. By Monday, will you all be able to do all the work? By coming Monday?
Yes, sir.
By Monday evening, can everyone submit? Because your unit tests are very near. Social science unit tests are very near. That's why I'm asking. Will you be able to do? And yes, today's recording will be definitely uploaded for you all. So do not worry about that. You all can visit it, look it again for question answers. So will everyone submit their question answers of French Revolution by Monday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone should. ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे एक स्टूडेंट को कॉल करना पड़ रहा है.
That,
Yes, Pranshu. Or someone else was saying something.
sir, with that notes also we have to submit.
If you have made notes, good. If you have already made notes, very good. Submit. But by Monday, you give me notes or you do not give me notes. The question answers must be totally complete. Question answers जो हैं वो एकदम पूरी तरीके से complete होनी चाहिए.
Sir, only the book or comment also.
All book and comment, all everything, सब कुछ होना चाहिए. Lot of days. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 3 days you have. Even Monday, I am saying by evening, by 7 p.m. everyone's work should be there. 7 बजे तक सबका काम हो जाना चाहिए. Okay. So, Yash, you want to ask something? You have raised your hand. Still your hands are raised. Okay. So, next week we are going to start a new chapter of history. What is the new chapter? What is the new chapter of history?
Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution.
No, that is
Nazism and the rise of Hitler.
Yeah, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Actually, in a proper way, socialism pehle padhana jaye. It is in sequence. It was better to teach you all socialism because it is interconnected with Nazism. But somehow, it is not there. First, we will talk about Hitler, and then we will, in the annual examinations, we will talk about Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution is the most complicated or very new chapter for you all. So it will be. And what about the civics work? I think we discussed the comment question answers of civics, isn't it? Discuss हुआ था ना?
Yes, sir.
What is democracy? Why democracy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next week, do complete that also. And what else? Next week, we are going to discuss the NCERT questions, which are very interesting, of what is democracy, why democracy. And we will start.
Civics comment work we can submit today also.
Okay, very good. If anyone has completed civics comment work, very good. Complete, because civics comment work has been done before summer vacations only, isn't it? Summer vacation के पहले ही हो गया था ना?
Sir, completed that time.
Okay, very good. So complete it, and next week we are also going to start new chapter of civics. What is the name of it is Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution, I'm just forgetting the exact name. It is about Indian Constitution.
Constitutional design.
Constitutional designs, yes, correct. Constitutional designs is there, so we will talk about that. It is also very interesting. Do not worry, that is not going to come in your unit test. It will come in the second unit test. In the first unit test, French Revolution, not the entire chapter, up to Reign of Terror is going to come. And what is democracy, why democracy, full chapter is going to come in the first unit test. Okay, everyone. Then it was a long class. All those students who stayed in the class, thank you. Those who were not there in the class, do see the recording during the time when you were not there. Okay. Chalo, see you all in the next class. So congratulations, French Revolution is complete. The first class 9 section where French Revolution